Check out the coolest woodworking tools on Amazon. Clever gadgets that make every project faster, easier, and more fun.
This heavy-duty 20-inch handsaw cuts the hassle short. Its clever 3-zone tooth pattern launches cuts instantly and pushes through with powerful efficiency. With a sturdy heat-treated blade and a comfort-fit handle, you're set for long sessions with smooth starts and far less arm fatigue. Ever wished you had an extra set of hands for door installs? This tool does exactly that. The Ayuko door clamp locks your door securely with one hand, while your other hand stays free to work. With its solid steel frame, felt-protected jaws, and adjustable feet, it grips firmly, up to 2.5 inches thick without scratching your finish. Step on the tread plate for stable, hands-free precision every time. Guessing where studs hide under drywall? That's a thing of the past. The Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor M150 uses 9 sensors and 15 precision LEDs to map stud edges and centers instantly. No scanning or calibration needed. Its deep detection reaches 1.5 inches, and it even warns you if it senses live wiring. Quick, accurate, and made right here in the USA. The Profiler Plus multifunction scribing tool gives you ultra-precise contour lines with zero fuss. Its smooth roller bearings glide over any surface, wood, tile, or metal, and locks in place with a self-locking adjustable scribe width. It even holds your favorite pencil or marker securely while you work. Compact, lightweight, built in the UK for lasting quality. With Profiler Plus, your workpiece will mirror any surface flawlessly in one steady pass. The Wolfcraft bevel and miter box makes precise woodworking simple. It works as both a bevel gauge and a miter box, letting you measure angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees and make accurate miter cuts. Perfect for baseboards up to 100 millimeters, even in tricky corners. The integrated guide pins ensure every cut is clean and repeatable. Compact and easy to store, this tool is ideal for both professionals and DIYers who want perfect results every time. The Ox Pro 5-piece wood chisel set is perfect for precise woodworking. Its hardened steel blades stay sharp, and the ergonomic handles give a comfortable grip. The extra-large striking caps let you hammer at any angle without worry. And the set comes in a handy Velcro case with sizes from 16 millimeters to 38 millimeters. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIYer, this set makes cutting and shaping wood super easy and accurate. Meet the Wolfcraft One Hand Clamp Pro. It lets you secure your workpiece with a single hand while keeping the other free. Built tough with up to 120 kilograms of clamping force, a grippy rubber surface, and a quick-release lever, this clamp locks your project fast and steady, compact, ergonomic, and reliable. This one-handed wonder just simplifies your workflow. Lexivon Aluminum Miter Saw. The Lexivon Aluminum Miter Saw delivers precision with its CNC machined solid anodized aluminum body and sharp laser-etched scales. Its smooth swivel motion locks angles with internal O-ring friction, while dual scales guide both miter and single cuts instantly. Designed for crown molding, trim work, plumbing, and more, this tool makes first-time cuts perfect every time. The Craig Straight Edge Guide turns your circular saw, jigsaw, or trim router into a precision tool. Its anti-slip Grip Max clamps lock onto your material as your saw rides its aluminum rail. Retractable cut line indicators ensure your pencil marks line up perfectly every time. Just clamp and cut. 4-foot sheet breakdown has never been easier. This multi-function self-centering jig locks onto your board and guides drill bits precisely using one setup. It comes with adjustable guides for 3 common sizes and locks your plank in place for perfect alignment. Whether you're making strong, casual joints or building cabinets, it nails accuracy with minimal effort every time. The Milescraft Lockmate Plus locks your bit in place instantly. Just push down, give it a twist, and you're all set. Its self-tightening collar grips securely and adjusts to fit most modern routers. With quick bit changes and safer handling, this gadget turns frustrating adjustments into fast, reliable workflow. This Ryobi 18-volt multi-tool raises the bar. With a variable speed dial pumping up to 20,000 OPM, you can confidently tackle drywall, metal, wood, plastic, or even sanding. It features the lowest vibration in its class for comfort, a bright onboard LED for dark areas, and built-in hex key storage for quick blade swaps. Add ergonomic design and lock-on power, and you've got precision performance that gets the job done every time. This self-centering dowel jig from Elion locks your drill perfectly in the middle, no measuring needed. Its elongated jaws and wide clamp grip bolted or wooden pieces with precision and ease. Made with durable aluminum alloy, it's built to last and fast to work with. Say goodbye to overly off-center drill holes. This tool makes them flawless every time. Craig K4 Pocket Hole Jig. Pocket joints done the tough way? Skip the struggle. Grab the Craig K4 Pocket Hole Jig and drill, drive, done. Its adjustable jig fits materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, and even a dust collection adapter to keep your workspace clean. With a 3-hole guide that guarantees rock-solid joints in seconds. Everything locks down fast, with easy thickness adjustments, depth gauges. Whether you're a DIY first-timer or building pro-level projects, this jig makes joinery effortless. The Aero T50 DCD cordless staple gun delivers power and freedom in one tool. Its built-in 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery fires up to 500 staples on a single charge. With a bottom-loading magazine, staple view window, and safety lock, reloading is quick and safe. Add the soft comfort grip, and you've got effortless, cordless stapling anywhere you need it.